Hey everyone, so you want to turn your imagination into stunning, beautiful and professional, art in seconds. So today I'm gonna share you an incredible AI tool that is offered by Magic Studio. It is free AI art generator. And this is a tool that can create amazing art from just a text description. So whether you are an artist or designer or just love creating, so this tool is perfect for you. So let's dive in and see how it works. So you can proceed to magicstudio.com, and here you can see in the top menu there are tools. So in the tools there are different tools, and we are gonna use today AI art generator. So when you click this, so you can see like create art from words, type your description, watch AI create from your imagination, lightning fast, no login needed. So without login, see, this is incredible. For example, now people are going to school, create a picture, and see within 2 seconds it's creating whatever you give prompt to this tool. So it will create within seconds. For example, a floating Iceland in the sky with waterfalls cascading into the clouds and surrounded by mythical creatures, and create a picture. So if you create, it's incredible. You can see a floating Iceland in the sky and with waterfalls cascading into the clouds, you can see, and amazing. See, it's amazing. Whatever you have in your mind, so you can easily create here. And for example, next, like a fairy tale mushroom village with glowing fairy lights and tiny magical creatures living inside. It's amazing. See, it looks incredibly fabulous, stunning. You can see it here, and you can download it. So if you click here and download, so it will download. You can see if I open, so it will open, and you can see it's here. See, we have downloaded it. And now here, even for instance, if you are not satisfied with the result, so you can refresh it. So it will give you a new version. See, it's amazing. So anything you have in your mind, you can easily create here. And therefore I have used a lot of tool, and personally I am honestly speaking that I really like this tool. So let's try one more. For example, a train detective in a 1920s a train powered by steam and electricity and speeding through a futuristic version of the Wild West. And see, it's amazing. See, incredible. So whatever you have in your mind, you can easily create. Like 2 girls with goats in the Arab world. So you can see, amazing. See how it's creating 2 girls. You can see 2 images of 2 girls with goats. You can see in the Arab world. So you can see in the Europe, in the America, for example. Now see, it's changed. So easily we can create. We can use this AI art generator, and it's free. You can refresh every time, and you can download. Easily you can download, and you can enjoy this tool. So I hope you have learnt a lot in this video. So please subscribe to my channel for the new AI tools and tutorials about designing, graphics, video editing and web development and more. And also share the video with your friends. So thank you so much once again.